If you've been thinking about moving to Manhattan Beach, 3 things to think about when it comes to Manhattan Beach. The first is price. For some, it can seem very expensive. You want to check out the median home price in Manhattan Beach at the time you're going. Check online, get an idea, is it comfortable for you? Number 2, location. There are 4 distinct locations in Manhattan Beach: Sand Section, Hill Section, East Manhattan, and Tree Section. But even within those locations, check with the local experts about the nuances of each, because every single one of those 4 communities has a different aspect to it that can affect what you can get in those neighborhoods. And third, schools. Whether you have school-aged children or not, the school systems are very important when it comes to resale value. Whether it's education for your children or protecting your invested dollars, check out the rankings. I think you'll be happy with them. And if you really want to understand Manhattan Beach a little bit more in depth, there's a little website you can go to see a couple quick videos called whatsmymb.com, whatsmymb.com, if you want to check it out. Have a great day.